Made for a boss, y'all. Hey, that's Deshaun Thornton. Did my intro song, Made for a Boss, y'all. Hey, it's Nikki, the influencer, inside the Boss Work Media Studio with Made for a Boss TV. How y'all doing today?
Yeah.
So y'all, we got some special guests in the house. You know what I'm saying? They pulled up on me, and I'm blessed to be in the presence of 3 guests today. Sacramento natives, correct?
Yes,
All right, why don't y'all go ahead and
Sure,
introduce
sure.
yourselves for me? I want to give y'all the honor to introduce yourselves.
First and foremost, thanks for having us. You know what I'm saying?
Foremost.
You know, we appreciate all the support. You know, you being a strong black woman, keeping it lit out here. So it's JDK on the boss.
Hey, JDK, shout out.
Sacktown, what's happening? Y'all know we in the building.
Y'all knowing, y'all know.
Yes, and likewise, thank you for having us.
Thanks for coming.
I am Adonis, alias Soup Bone.
Okay, Adonis.
And I'm Max 17.